your eyes. It's a touch of your size, my lips are resting on your shoulder.